Hello, YouTube! It's the Brick Adjuster here with another episode of What? In today's episode, we have a question from Classic Lego Movies. Classic Lego Movies asks, what is your biggest Lego set? Another great question, so I decided to make another top 5 list that counts down my top 5 biggest sets that I currently have. So here we go. Enjoy! Number 5 is the Simpsons House, set number 71006. This set has 2,523 pieces and was released in 2014, and it sold for $200 US or $230 Canadian. Number 4 is the Town Hall Modular set. Set number 10224. This set had 2,766 pieces and was released in 2012, and it sold for $200 US or $250 Canadian. Number 3 is the Superstar Destroyer, set number 10221. It has 3,152 pieces and was released in 2011 and sold for $400 US and $500 Canadian. Number 2 is the Death Star, set number 10188. It has 3,803 pieces and was released in 2008 and sold for $400 US or $500 Canadian. And number 1 is the Tower Bridge, set number 10214. This set has 4,287 pieces and was released in 2010. It sold for $240 US or $300 Canadian. And some honorable mentions. The Imperial Shuttle. It has 2,503 pieces. The Parisian Restaurant. It has 2,469 pieces. So my question to you guys is, what is your biggest Lego set? Comment below, let me know, and please continue sending me Lego related questions. I love giving my thoughts. So this concludes another episode of What? This is the Brick Adjuster signing off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!